Good day, everyone. So, a lot of people had been asking me of what would be my opinion about the arrests of the former President Duterte. I hope this message would reach to the ICC. I hope that this message would reach to the International Court of Law. As a Filipino, and as a concerned citizen, without thinking of politics, President Duterte has done so much for our country. He has done a lot of things to our country. Number one, he has made our country peaceful, free from drugs. Yes, it was not perfect during his administration. There were still drugs, but we could clearly see in our very own eyes. We could really observe what happened, that there was really a sudden decrease of the drugs in the country. A lot of drug pushers, thousands of drug pushers, thousands of drug users, actually their lives were changed. In fact, I can name you a lot of people whom I personally know, that their lives were changed because of the war on drugs of the President Duterte. So, really, President Duterte has done so much to this country. Aside from the 10 years passport, a lot of projects, the build programs, he has a lot of accomplishments. I cannot name them all. So, as a former president of this country, I think this is one of the reasons. His accomplishments actually were one of the reasons why many people loved him. A lot of Filipinos love this guy. And whether you disagree with me or not, whether you bash me or not, I don't care. But as a concerned Filipino, as a Filipino people, as member of the Filipino people, I have the right to express my opinion. And I would say to the world that I stand with our president, our former president. I stand with him. He has done a lot of good things to our country. He sacrificed his life, everything, including his own family, just to make this country peaceful, just to make this country more progressive. During the pandemic, he has done so much just to save us, just to help us. So, this man is a good person. He's a good person for so many Filipinos, for the millions of Filipinos. He is a good person. And hopefully, we can also see that the ICC may find him not guilty of the accusations against him. Hopefully, that will be all, and God bless us all. God save the Philippines.